Now there is no politeness. She's asking somebody to come on out. Thank you so much. Now she's threatening somebody to come here. It's an order. Thank you so much. Now this was how we release again honey from a lotus flower. Kamal se kaise Brahmar, Madhu Viraha. Now this was a beautiful mother and her baby, Ma or Bacha. Beautiful mother and her baby. Mother is doing her makeup, then with her baby, Ma or Bacha. of you read the demonstration, now let's move to the story. Today's story is the punishment to Nakratundi for Nakratundi ko Vidarthan. The story is taken from Bhagavata Purana. Narakasura was a demon king and he had the peculiar hobby or folly of abducting women from other countries and putting them in his prison. Even Lord Devendra and other gods were under his threat. Nakratundi, a violent, ferocious woman, demon lady, goes to heaven to abduct heavenly beauties or goddess from the heaven for Narakasura. She was such a ferocious, wild woman, she used to hang tiger cubs as pendants in her ears. She reached in heaven, doing her makeup, then asked the heavenly beauties to play with her. But they became afraid and ran away. She captured many of them, and she was returning to Narakasura. On the way, she met Jayantan, handsome son of Lord Indra. She falls in love with this handsome guy, but her figure was an ugly figure. So she appeared as a beautiful woman called Lalita, because demon ladies had many magic. With her magic, she appeared as a beautiful woman called Lalita and approached Jayantan with beautiful dance movements and music. Then Jayantan asked, "Who are you, beautiful woman? Why did you come here? Please reveal your identity." The Lalita told, "I am a heavenly beauty and I would like to marry you." Then Jayantan told, "I wouldn't marry anybody without my father's permission." Again and again, Lalita compelled him to marry her. She even compelled him for a sexual relationship. All these were rejected by Jayantan. Then she became angry. Then she told that, "I am going to show you my original figure." She transformed back to Nakratundi, wild and ferocious woman, demon lady. Then they began to fight. At the end of the fight, Jayantan cuts Nakratundi's nose, ears and breast. This is part of the story. We are going to stage here. Once again, we welcome all of you on behalf of Punarjani Traditional Village. Punarjani Traditional Village ma'am, आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है. So let's watch Tirashila, the traditional style curtain used in Kathakali. The traditional style hand-holding curtain used in Kathakali. The specialty of this curtain is when characters appear behind the screen, they are appearing as supernatural powers or figures. The punishment to Nakratundi or Nakratundi ko Vidarthan. At the first scene, let's watch Demon Lady Nakratundi, and at the second scene, let's watch beautiful Lalita and Jayantan, and at the third scene, let's watch fight between Nakratundi and Jayantan.